Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Southiere-sur-le-Lac is a residential neighborhood in Magog, located in the Eastern Townships region of southern Quebec near Lake Memphremagog and Mount Orford. The area is known for its wooded surroundings, modern homes, and close connection to nature. Magog itself has a population of roughly 30,000 people and serves as one of the main tourism and recreation centers in the Eastern Townships. Southiere-sur-le-Lac reflects the region's combination of residential growth, outdoor recreation, and scenic landscapes shaped by forests, lakes, and rolling hills. The history of the region dates back long before European settlement. Indigenous peoples traveled through the lakes and rivers of the Eastern Townships for centuries, using waterways such as Lake Memphremagog for transportation, fishing, and trade. European settlement increased during the late 1700s and early 1800s, especially after Loyalists and settlers from the United States moved north following the American Revolution. Farming, forestry, and small industries gradually helped establish communities throughout the region. Magog developed into an important industrial and transportation center during the 19th century. The Magog River provided water power for textile mills, sawmills, and factories that supported the local economy for many decades. Railways later connected the region to Montreal and other parts of Quebec, encouraging trade and tourism. As industry grew, Magog expanded from a small settlement into a larger regional center, serving nearby farming communities and recreational destinations. Southiere-sur-le-Lac is part of the more recent residential growth that has taken place around Magog and Mount Orford. During the late 20th century and early 21st century, more people began moving to the area looking for access to nature, recreational opportunities, and a lifestyle outside major urban centers. Residential neighborhoods expanded around lakes, forests, and hillsides, while still remaining closely connected to Magog's downtown and nearby services. One of the defining features of the neighborhood is its location near Lake Memphremagog, one of the largest and most scenic lakes in southern Quebec. The lake stretches south into the United States and has long played an important role in transportation, tourism, and recreation throughout the region. Boating, swimming, fishing, and lakeside recreation attract visitors during the warmer months, while nearby parks and trails provide outdoor activities throughout the year. The nearby Mount Orford National Park is another major attraction shaping life around Southiere-sur-le-Lac. The park includes forests, lakes, hiking trails, campgrounds, and ski facilities that draw visitors from across Quebec and beyond. Mount Orford itself rises prominently above the surrounding countryside and has become one of the best-known outdoor recreation destinations in the province. Skiing, hiking, cycling, and camping all contribute to the area's tourism economy. Nature strongly influences daily life in this part of the Eastern Townships. Forests surrounding Southiere-sur-le-Lac support wildlife such as deer, birds, foxes, and smaller woodland animals. Seasonal changes create dramatic differences in the landscape throughout the year. Summers bring green forests and lake activity, autumn transforms the hills with colorful foliage, and winters cover the region in snow, supporting skiing and other cold weather recreation. The Eastern Townships region also has a unique cultural history shaped by both English and French settlement. Many villages and towns throughout the region contain historic churches, farms, inns, and older buildings reflecting this mixed heritage. Over time, French became the dominant language across much of the area, although English-speaking influences remain visible in place names, architecture, and local history throughout the townships. Today, Southiere-sur-le-Lac represents the modern growth of the Magog and Orford region, where residential communities exist alongside forests, lakes, and recreational areas. The neighborhood offers access to nature while remaining close to shopping, restaurants, and services in nearby Magog. Visitors passing through the area experience a part of southern Quebec shaped by lakes, mountains, tourism, and the long history of settlement in the Eastern Townships. for watching!